Hello, how are you on this day? It's night. Okay, so I bought this lash lift eyelash perming kit from a company called Icon Sign, and it is for perming your eyelashes. Now, I'm not going to do that because I'm not insane and don't want to blind myself. Yeah, but what I did want to do was try brow lamination, and seemingly it's the exact same products as lash lift. Whoa, okay. Right, so anyway, in this little kit comes all of these things, which are perm lotion, fixation, nutrition, cleanser, and lash glue. So I'll mainly be focusing on these here and the little clean tools, which honestly not entirely sure how these work. Can you see that? It has like little teeth. I don't know, I'll hold it up there. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. You definitely cannot. The directions are limited. I have done a test a couple of days ago. I did a patch test on all this to make sure I'm not allergic to anything. I didn't react to anything because I'm allergic to everything. But I'm totally fine with this, so that's great. Use the perm lotion #1 on the eyelashes and then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. Oh, right, I need to go and get some plastic wrap. Remove the perm lotion with Y brush, then apply fixing agent #2 on the eyelashes, in this case eyebrows, and cover your eyes with plastic wrap. Again, need more plastic wrap. Use cleanser to wipe off the residue with the Y brush, wiping with the comb side. Remove the pads and yeah, you should be good. Okay, let me go and get some cling film. Yeah, that's what you call it here, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so all she did was like literally paint the glue. Oh my gosh. Oh no, wait, I'm doing it all wrong. Who am I and what am I doing? Hold on. The instructions are on the box, Rebecca. Seriously? I have to use the cleanser. Oh my gosh, quickly before the glue dries. Can't get this cotton pad off. Now, I can't complain about my brows really. Like, I'm quite lucky. They're quite full. This is just sort of how they are au natural. Imagine my eyebrows were up there. Lots of celebrities do that, you know. It's weird. Why are you doing that? It's a very Spock vibe. That's what you're into, like, crack on. But anyway, where am I going with this? Yeah, I would just like them to stay up a bit more. And I just wanted to try this. And Natalie, who does my sugaring for me, told me that I am the perfect candidate. Apply the glue for 1 minute. Okay. I think it means until like, it'll take a minute, maybe? From the video I was watching, she was saying to push like the front ones completely up. And then these outer ones maybe like out to the side a little bit. I feel like I need to use my finger. Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay, there we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Woo! Look at that. It's very soap brow-esque look. So if you're not into that kind of vibe, like, you will not like laminated brows. If you like a more like what I would call like an Instagram brow, where it's like more blocky and like really defined edges and things, like, this is not going to be for you. You're going to be like, what are you doing, you actual alien? I'm getting real red and warm. I mean, like, I did a test and I didn't react, but like, look, can you see that? We took an antihistamine just in case. Okay, we took an antihistamine just in case. But next up is to use the perm lotion on the eyelashes and then cover with plastic wrap for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so perm lotion. Oh no, uno. Oh, we're going wrong already. I'm actually just using little lip gloss ones. Oh, smell it. Sounds like the smell of a perm lotion. Did it really say whether to put it on like a thick layer or thin layer? Just gonna use a little cotton bud just to pull off any excess that I can see on my skin. We have our cling film. I feel like this is too thick. Wow. Well, it's a look. It is a look. Let's start a timer. And I will see you in, I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, it has been 12 minutes. I am going to remove my, oh, you can't really see, but it has like two little eyebrows on there. Plastic wrap. Ooh. And then it's telling me to use the Y comb, or the Y, sorry, what are you called? Y brush. It's plastic. Use perm remove the perm lotion with Y brush, then apply fixing agent. But I don't think you're meant to use the comb side, because in the next one it says wiping with the comb side. So I'm just going to use this flat side, and I have just a tissue here that I'm wiping it on. Scrape it off, I guess. Yeah. I don't feel like the glue is holding that well. I think that's my main issue here. But maybe that's normal. Still feels quite moist over here. They do look a little bit red, but I think that honestly that's just because I've been like poking at them and stuff too. And this side of my face is quite red. It's because I have headphones on. They make my cheeks really warm. I'm not sure why, but well, I'm not fancy enough to have like earbuds or something that other cool people have. I'm just not that cool, guys. Soz, just in case you were like, wow, Rebecca's that cool. No. Definitely not. Apply fixing agent number 2 on the eyelashes and the eyebrows, and then cover your eyebrows with plastic wrap for another 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. I have another little lip gloss wand thingy. This one is blue. Doesn't smell like perming stuff, which is quite nice after the last one. Smelled quite aggressive. I'm not being like, not putting on loads, but I'm like getting a nice thin coat. Has anyone had their brows laminated? Am I doing it terribly wrong? I'm sure there's beauty therapists watching this screaming at me. And for that, I apologize. But needs must. I mean, I definitely didn't need to do this, but you know what I mean. And okay, so I will see you in another 12 minutes. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. Can you see that one any better? Because it's blue, maybe? Yeah. Okay, so the next instructions are a little confusing because it says, use the cleanser number 4 to clean off all residue with the Y brush, wiping with the comb side. But how are you supposed to put a liquid on a comb? So I think I'm going to use the cleanser just on a little spoolie jobby first. This is not a spoolie, this is a lip gloss applicator because I've run out of cotton buds. I'm just going to use it on that first and just make sure I've got all the residue, or the like main, you know, juice, if you will, off. Juice? What choice of word was that? Using this, I've just dipped it there and I'm just going to soak the front of this brow. Then I'm going to use the little comby side to... Oh, that is an aggressive comb, people. Okay, doesn't want to go. Doesn't want to go through the glue, it seems. I feel like I don't want to use the nutrition lotion until I've tinted them, so I'm going to do that next, I think. I'm just going to brush this onto my brow hairs. I'm just going to stay with the shape, like they're going up. Were you able to see yourself the whole time? No, that's me. I can see. Well, forgot how a mirror works. Whoa, I just got the big side. Okay. and now we wait. Okay, I suddenly looked up and realized the tint is developing a lot faster than usual. So now my brows are really dark, which it normally takes like a good 4 or 5 minutes, and that was like 2 minutes. Now it's gonna take a few face washes to get these to lighten up, huh? So I'm using the cleanser that comes with it. Okay, so if you're gonna try this, be aware it develops any color that you put on insanely fast. So this is how my brows are looking now, right? Aside from the insane darkness that they are, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just so you can see. The hairs are like, well, they're just staying there by themselves. They have nothing in them at this point. They're clean. They're so dark. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. Wait, I want to see what Colin says. Hold on. So I put the tint on, right? And it was on for like less than 2 minutes and they're like black.
Oh, you look like you're like from Whoville or something.
Oh, that's a compliment.
Is it?
Yeah, I love Whoville. Look at them. And they looked fine until I tinted them, and then they're so dark.
Now you can see all of them.
Yeah.
Like, oh, that's so strange.
Look how dark they are. Actually, look at that.
They're like almost black.
I know.
Good luck with that.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks, babe. Thanks. Yeah, thanks. I can't even cope. Okay. Let's try and, so I have these little curved scissors for trimming brows. So we're going to try and fix this a little. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. So like, okay, this looks far too dark. We've established that. But substantially better than this. I'm just putting on the Nutrition as an oil, slightly oily, but you definitely need it because my brows feel a little crispy. Okay, we're looking a little better now, a little more normal. I just put on, I have no face makeup on, but I just put on like a little bit on my eyes just to sort of see what it would look like semi normally. You can still move them around, like they're not, you know, stuck like that forever. I quite like how they look now. Obviously I think they're still far too dark, but in a couple of days or like a week when they have lightened up a bit, I think I'm really gonna like them. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you for coming on what was quite the journey, I'll be honest, with me. Anyway, that's it. Brows are laminated. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. I messaged Natalie from Vitality Beauty. Natalie does all my treatments and everything that I get normally. And I sent her a picture and was like, Natalie, SOS, send help. Why are my eyebrows black? And she was like, oh yeah, whenever you have the treatment done, that makes the hair more porous, so it absorbs the tint a lot quicker. And I was like, wow, that's so good to know after I've done it. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. If there's any kind of looks that you want to see, let me know. Until then, let's hope my eyebrows fade. Take care, guys. Look after yourselves, and we'll see you soon.